All right. So this week, okay, well done, guys. Last week of term. Now we do have to do a cat for algebra. Okay, so you can download the cat from here. Okay, and I'll show you the cat in a moment. Um, you can also download it from the learning task. Okay. Now this cat is due on Friday the 18th. Okay, and now you may think, oh, Friday, this Friday, um, that is a student free day. Now it's a student free day, however, it's independent learning day. Okay, so teachers, they will have meetings for to prepare for next term, and you guys will still be doing work. Okay, you guys should still be doing work. Okay, so on Friday you still have one lesson, so use that time to do the cat. Now, obviously, if you have done the cat before that, then well done to you. Okay, then you can get an early start to your term break. Okay. Um, so just for the last bit, just for the last couple of meetings here, a bit of a joke. Okay, just to make things light and easy in the morning. Okay, I'll let you guys read that. Um, okay, so here is the cat again, so you can download it from here or the learning task. Now you can look back at your notes, just like any other test. You can also have a look at our PowerPoint presentations, the YouTube videos, and the textbook examples. Okay, and also please remember that you can email me. Okay, and now of course I cannot give you the answer, but I will try to help you with whatever I can. Okay, so maybe give you some example on how to do things. Um, yeah, so just want to let you guys know that. So let's talk about the cat. Okay, all right, so here is our cat. So once you download it, this is what you see. Now it does say post-test, but it's more of a project kind of thing. Okay, so just like what you've been doing with your um, you know, with the learning tasks from science, you guys got the different tasks. This time, for this project, you also have different tasks that you can choose. Now, so what you need to do is you need to complete any two of the following tasks. Complete them in a Word document. Okay, so this Word documents here for the cats, and upload it, or you can do it in your workbook and then take photos. Okay. Um, Now these tasks, um, oh, and also the mini quiz must be completed as well. Okay. So that means that there are three tasks that you need to do. Okay. So two optional tasks, sorry, not optional, two tasks that you can choose from these six here. And then there's also a must-do task. Okay, so three tasks in total. Okay, you must do three tasks in total. Okay. Oh, and I made a mistake there. That should be seven. I'll fix this up later if you guys don't mind. Okay. And you can ask teacher for support. Okay. So actually, I want to show you guys this one as well because there is a hyperlink on each of these tasks. So if you want to click on the link, what you want to do is, it says right there when you hover your mouse over it, it say hold the control and then click to get the link. Okay, so hold control key on your keyboard and then click the link. So okay, that's task one. So I just want to make it, a bit more easier for you guys um, to go through with this. So the first task here is teach a student. Okay. Um, I don't think I'm going to spend too much time going through each of the tasks. I'm just going to give you a brief overview of the task. Okay, because I don't want to take too much time. Um, so basically, teach your students here is that you need to create a video or a PowerPoint or Prezi to explain certain concepts from algebra. Okay, so the things that you need to teach here is the definition of terms, constant term, coefficients, pronumeral. You also need to teach them about what like terms are and how to combine like terms. Okay, and you know, for good teaching, if you want to be a good teacher, you should also show them an example. So you may want to create your own expression here, but I have given you guys a few examples that you can choose. Okay, so that's task one. Task two, okay, algebra calendar. Um, so the direction is select 1 month, okay, so any month that you want, and you must create an algebraic expression for each day of the month to put on a math calendar. Now, I'm not saying anything, but work smart, not harder. Maybe you want to choose February. You know what I mean? Um, you also need to simplify each expression. You can download. Now, there is a calendar template that you can download from the learning task. Okay. Um, and the requirements are for week 1 of the month, you must include combining like terms. For week 2, you must include the distributive property. I'll show you what that means in a moment if you forgot. Week 3, you must include multiplication and or division of powers with the same base. In week 4, you must include raising a power to another power. Okay, and here are some examples. Okay, obviously I would like to see something different to the examples I've given here. All right. Um, so week 1, day 1, combining like terms. So I have 2a plus 3a minus 4b plus 5b minus 6. And you need to simplify this as well. So it simplifies to 5a plus b minus 6. Okay. For week 2, day 1, we must include the distributive property, right? So we have 2 brackets x plus 5 close brackets minus 3x. So remember, the distributive property basically has got to do with expanding brackets, okay? And when you expand these brackets and simplify everything, it's going to comes to negative x plus 10. All right. Week 3, day 1, we want to have multiplication and division of powers with the same base. So here, the example I given is 3x to the power 4 multiplied by 2x to the power 5. Okay, and when you simplify that, you get 6x to the power of 9. Then week 4, day 1, you want raising a power to another power. So you got 10y to the power of 5 in brackets, all raised to the power of 4. When you simplify that, you get 10 to the power of 4 and y to the power of 20. Okay, so that's what you need to do. All right. If I'm going too fast here, guys, or if you want me to explain anything again, just let me know in the chat. All right. So that's task 2. Task 3, you got the phone plan comparison here. So you got 4 different plans. Okay, you got a table here to show you the different plans. And you've got 4 questions that you need to answer for this task. Okay. Task 4, locus number. So again, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. It's a word questions. So, you need to read through the question carefully to get the context of it, and then from there um, you can answer the question. Next, task 5, factorizing expressions. So you've got some again, you've got some questions here. The first one is asking you to find highest common factors. The second one is asking you to fill in the blank spaces. Okay, so when factorized, 6 minus 3d is equal to something. Now, these boxes here, you can actually type in them. Okay, so oh, I should type a number. What is it? Just any number here. This is not the right answer, okay, guys? So, you can type something in there, okay? Um, so, and then part 3, you factorize these questions. And there is a bit of an extension here, okay, for those of you who did the year 10 work, all right? Um, we've done task 5, next task 6, and it's got to do with index laws, okay? All right, guys, so those are the 6 tasks that you can choose from. Choose 2 of them, okay? And the last and final thing that you have to do is the mini quiz, all right? And it's this one. So and this one is taken from our pre-test. Okay, so if you remember, we did a pre-test from term 2, at the end of term 2, and these are the same questions as those. Okay, so you basically answer these questions here. This is going to be, you can see here, there are 16 questions, so significantly less than the pre-test that you did, and also that's the post-test as well. Okay, so that is the cats that you have to do. Again, if you have any questions, you can ask in the chat. If you would like some more clarification um, after the meeting, you are welcome to stay and ask me. Otherwise, good luck, guys. You can go and complete the task here. Okay.